North Korean IT workers target corporate America with AI-powered resumes. North Korean operatives have begun to leverage advanced AI tools to craft highly convincing resumes that mimic the writing style and technical jargon of legitimate U.S. tech professionals. By feeding the AI with publicly available data, they produce documents that pass initial screening software and even human recruiters. This tactic allows them to bypass traditional background checks, creating a pipeline of potential insiders who can later be used to access sensitive systems. The use of AI not only speeds up the resume creation process, but also reduces the risk of human error that could expose the operation. The operatives operate large laptop farms in remote locations, each machine configured with stolen U.S. identities. These laptops are preloaded with malware that can be activated once the employee gains access to corporate networks. The stolen identities are often sourced from data breaches, allowing the operatives to create accounts that appear legitimate to external authentication services. By combining stolen credentials with AI-crafted resumes, they increase the likelihood of being hired for roles that provide privileged access to code repositories, financial systems, and customer data. Once inside, these operatives can deploy keyloggers, exfiltrate intellectual property, or manipulate code to introduce backdoors. The threat is amplified by the fact that many U.S. tech companies rely on remote work, which expands the attack surface. A single compromised employee can provide a foothold into multiple systems, making it essential for organizations to adopt zero-trust principles and continuous monitoring. The risk is not limited to data theft. It also includes reputational damage if a breach becomes public. Business owners should start by implementing multi-factor authentication for all employee accounts, especially those with access to sensitive data. Conduct regular security awareness training that includes phishing simulations, as operatives may use social engineering to gain initial access. Deploy endpoint detection and response EDR solutions that can detect anomalous behavior on laptops. Finally, establish a rapid incident response plan that includes isolation procedures and forensic capabilities to contain any breach before it spreads. To protect your organization, verify every new hire with a thorough background check that includes identity verification services. Enforce strict access controls and least privilege policies. Monitor employee devices for unusual activity and maintain an up-to-date inventory of all hardware. By combining these measures, business owners can reduce the likelihood that a North Korean operative will successfully infiltrate their systems and safeguard both their intellectual property and customer trust. This program uses AI-generated voices. American Tech Consultants helps businesses plan, integrate, and support AI and information technology solutions. Learn more at americantechconsultants.com, call 954-998-2994, or email support@americantechconsultants.com.